Hi. So in this video, I'm going to share with you one of the trading platforms that can be compared to the MT4, the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 or TradingView. Okay. So I discovered this when I joined the prop trade platform. Okay. So I'm going to take you through that. And the name of this trading platform is called TradeLocker. Okay. Don't get confused. It's simple, like simple and easy to use, and has more tools that can help you in your market analysis. Okay. So first, after downloading it, okay, you launch it, and then you see demo at the left side, and then you see live at the right side. Okay. So you type on the live like this, and then it switches to live. So if your broker, you use your credentials from your broker account to log in, okay, and then for the demo account to you use the credentials to log in, okay. So this app or this platform or trading platform is called TradeLocker, okay, and it has, you can use it in if you don't want to use your MT4, the MT5, you can use it, okay, because it works very well. I discovered this, like I said, when I decided to trade or use the prop trade platform. Okay, so after downloading it, you are going to see this. Okay, and then let me show you how I got the details. Okay, so when you join the prop trade platform, okay, and then at the prop trade platform, you're going to see the spread leverage commissions and all at that place, or the first rules at that, or on that channel or that page, you are going to find these details. Okay, so it says that to find details of our platform accounts, so traders can view our raw spreads. The platform TradeLocker user is test underscore account 001 at prop trade. So let me type in that. Tests underscore account 001 at prop, and confirm, at proptrade.com. Okay, and then the password. Okay, so the password H underscore 2W, so H underscore 2W VX YP okay, VXYP, and then the server, let's get the server. The server is TPTR. Okay, let's do it that way. TPTR. Okay, so TPTR, and then TPTR PRP and login. So like I said, this server combination, maybe I need to check that again. Tests underscore account 001, tests underscore account, sorry, I made a mistake. Yes, so like I said, this is another trading platform like that of the MT4, the MT5, the TradingView, the C Trader, and all of that. And when I discovered this, I explored it, and then I realized that there are a lot of features that you can use as a trader. Okay, so with this, at the top where you see BTC USD, if you want to choose a currency pair or the markets, okay, you see markets there. You tap on that, you see, so this is crypto, so you can change to forex, let's say forex majors, and select the pair that you want to trade. So let's say maybe NZD USD. So it's NZD USD Pro because the accounts that I'm using, or the accounts from the proptrade.com is a pro account. That's why you see NZD USD. Okay, the time frame, okay, you see 5M there, so you can change to, let's say, 4 hour. Okay, and then candlestick, you want to change it to line charts, any other charts that you want to. Indicators, where we have the FX. Okay, you see this, and then At the left side, you have all these tools, your trend lines, supports and resistance and all of that. But one nice thing is that you realize that it's integrated, or it has trading view. Okay, so if you want to analyze the charts more, you want to have a wider screen. It's because I'm using a phone. That's why you see it this way. But if you want to have a bigger screen or chart to explore, you tap on the trading view, and then you're going to have that interface as well. Down here, so let's say you want to trade, okay? You see this arrow just under the auto. You tap on the arrow like this. See market pending. So if you are doing pending orders, you tap on the pending like this, where you type in the price where you want your trade to be executed. But if you are using markets or live markets prices, just select markets like this, and then you type in your lot size here. So down here you see 0.01, okay, and it's the same lot size if you are using the MT4, the MT5. It's the same thing, okay. So you type that one here. If you want to set your stop loss, take profit, you select, you type in your stop loss. The good thing is that aside the price, you see the points and the percentage, and then how much you're going to lose or make as profit if you are going by this, okay. Then you place your sell order. If it is a buy, you tap on the buy, you place your buy order. So it's very easy and simple to use. And the name of the trading platform is called TradeLocker. Top here, you see, is a demo account. Remember, I chose a demo account, okay? And then I tap on the dollar sign, where you see your balance, equity, margin use, margin level, margin available, and all of that. There's the account type. If you want to log out, you log out, okay? It's good and easy, simple to use, okay? If you have more questions, you can just say hi to me on my WhatsApp number that's popping on the screen, and I'm going to assist you with how to use this. But don't get confused once again. As a trading platform, has more features, tools that can be used, like that of the MT4, the MT5, C Trader, Trading View, and all of that. The good thing is that Trading View is integrated in this, so it makes it very easy and simple to use. Bye bye.